we're excited for those of you that want to grow your own seedlings. Our goal is to coach you and do that. But I know there's times we don't have the time to do it. We're too busy, or they take too long because they might take 20 to 30 days to germinate. That's when you call us. Order online. We'll ship them right to your door. You don't have to be able to grow everything. Sprout the things that really sprout fast. All your leafy greens grow very, very fast. Kales, things you have trouble growing in your own backyard or in your tower, and you want to grow them, we probably have them. We have over 100 varieties of seedlings readily available year-round, ready to ship, Monday through Thursday, right to your doorstep, making it simple. The tower garden is designed to keep it simple. If we don't keep it simple, it's not fun. We want you to grow your own quality food right in your own house or backyard year-round. And if that's growing from a seed, that's great. And those things that you have trouble with, order them from our website. We'll ship them right to you. We'd love to be part of that.